Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel if you happen to be new. Today I'm going to be unboxing the July Detox Market Detox Box. This is a subscription box that I really enjoy. I believe I've done a couple of other unboxings on my channel if you want to check those out. I'll have those linked below. But anyway, if you like clean beauty content, my channel is all about clean beauty content. So if you want to switch to using cleaner products, safer products, then this channel might be something that you would like. Alrighty, so this is what the box looks like. Super simple cardboard box, but it looks really like green beauty type-esque, if that makes sense. But anyway, it's nice, simple packaging, and it says, "Get ready to be obsessed." It comes wrapped nicer than it looks right now just because I did open it and look at the products. This month's brand that is featured is Herbivore, and it tells you a little bit about the makers of the company. The Detox Market always focuses on one brand. Sometimes you'll get 2 products, sometimes you'll get 5 products. It kind of just varies depending on the price of the product, but you get a higher value than you pay for, which is awesome. You always get like 100 or more value, and I think that this is also just a great way to try new clean beauty brands and learn about new clean beauty brands. So I really enjoy this subscription box. But anyway, back to the box. So this is by the brand Herbivore, and so Julia, Wills, and Alexander Kumaro, I don't know if I said that right, but they are the makers of Herbivore, and here you can kind of see them. So this is them right there. And then it also just tells you like about their company, when they were created. It says they started in 2011, where Seattle, Washington. So this is a cool little thing to look at. And then on the back of the card it has a little Q&A, and then it also gives you a little card that just tells you all about the products that you get in the box. So let's dive right into it. Alright, so the first product that I see here is the Herbivore Prism. So it says that this is a natural fruit acid, which is 5%, and it's an exfoliating glow potion. This comes with 1 fluid ounce. So let's learn a little bit more about this product. This is what the box looks like. And then let's open it up. This looks like a really nice packaging. It's like it's a pretty glass bottle, which is really nice. This is a $62 product, so right away you're getting over the value than you paid for the box. It says that this potent potion blends a rainbow of fruit acids: bilberry lactic, sugarcane glycolic, orange peel citric, and apple malic, with rosewater, aloe, sodium hyaluronate, and cacao plum, a unique source of vitamin C. And it says that this lightweight exfoliating serum gently soothes, brightens and plumps the appearance of skin. And then for directions, it says to apply 48 drops once a day before your moisturizer, and it says that you might feel a slight tingle, which is normal. And then it says to top with sunscreen for daytime use. Use as often if skin is sensitive. So I really like the packaging of this. It looks really just gorgeous and luxurious. I really like that. It's also somewhat simple, which I also like. So this is an exfoliating serum, basically. So that's exciting. I'm excited to use this. But basically it's just a clear product. And let's just see what it feels like on the skin. So it feels very cool, just from putting it on the skin. Also smells pretty nice. And it just glides onto the skin really nicely. And I do feel that slight tingling. So yeah, I am super excited to try this. Have any of you guys already tried this product? I would love to know. What do you think about it? Do you like it? Just let me know. I'd love to know. Alright, so moving on to the next product. Okay, so this is the Lapis Balancing Face Oil. So let's get the card that tells about it. So this is what the box looks like. So this is what it looks like. Really cute little sample size. I believe that this one has blue tansy in it, and I've been really interested in trying a product with blue tansy in it. I think it's supposed to be really good for calming inflammation. I have acne prone skin, so I need to help calm some inflammation. This is Balance and Soothe. So it says that this is a calming dose of azulene-rich blue tansy, reduces the appearance of redness while encouraging balanced hydration. So I'm excited to use this. This one costs $24 and it is 0.3 ounces. So let's open this up. want to smell it. It smells really fresh and like floral-ish, I guess. It looks like, you know, a regular facial oil. It applies really nicely, very smooth on the skin, and it smells really nice. It smells like blue tansy, so that is really nice. I really like the color of this. I think it's really fun, and I think that this little cute size would be great for traveling, and I think it's just a great way to try the product out. And this is $24. Honestly, I don't know if I would go out and buy a facial oil I mean, this is pretty small. I don't know if I would go out and buy one that's this small for $24. So I think that this is a great way to be able to try out products that you might not try otherwise. And who knows, maybe you'll find out that you really like it, and maybe you'll think that it is a product that is worth the splurge. So moving on. So the next one is the Orchid Youth Preserving Face Oil. Alright, so this is what the product looks like. It's like a light yellow type of color. So this one is $22, and it says get a dewy glow with lush floral oils and skin smoothing squalane, orchid extract and jasmine sambac oil, soften while smelling divine. Let's take this out and smell it. So yes, it definitely has that like floral scent to it, a really pretty scent. Yes, a very floral scent. It smells really lovely. It does smell really nice. And again, it applies really nice and smoothly. This one specifically is supposed to help to smooth and brighten the skin. It has squalane in it, which is really good for helping to even out the skin tone. So I'm excited to use this. Alrighty, so the last product in the box is the pheonix Regenerating Face Oil. This one is an orange oil, really pretty. So let's see, let's read about this one. So this one is supposed to replenish and renew. This one costs $26. It says let your skin be reborn with a revitalizing cocktail of vitamin A packed rosehip oil, nourishing sea buckthorn and chia seed oils, plus super antioxidant CoQ10. So that's really cool. This is packed with a lot of really nice ingredients. Let's see what this one smells like. I feel like I can definitely smell the rosehip in there. That's probably a big reason for where it gets the color. It leaves a little bit of an orange tint on there. Rosehip oil sometimes does look a little bit more orange, and it can leave a little bit of an orange tint to the skin. So this might be a product that you would want to apply more at nighttime. Again, this applies really smoothly to the skin. I think that it feels really nice on the skin. Definitely, all of these definitely do provide some nice moisture, so that's really great. Those are all of the products in this month's box. So the overall value of this box is $134, so that is a great value for what you pay. Definitely quite a bit more than what you pay, so that is really awesome. But anyway, that is it for today's video. If you guys want to see a review of these products once I have tried them out, let me know. Also, if any of you guys have tried any of these products, I would love to know what you think about them. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you liked it and found it helpful. If you did, I would love it if you would let me know by giving me a like. And if you like clean beauty content, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. But other than that, I hope that you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!